saying, I'm gonna come earlier. Instead coming at 7, talk to them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't wanna make plans and then they're gonna be like, no, Miguel, I wanna do the whole shift.